Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another Unbox Monday. So today we're going to be taking a look at Revell Journey BMW I8. So let's go on unbox, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take a more detail later on. Alright, so let's jump straight into the clear parts. And as typical as Revell Journey kits, clear parts look fantastic. There's no haziness, and there's a nice line around them where you have to do the black trim. Overall, very nice. As you see the little line where you have to do the black trim, like I mentioned. Very nice parts. Alright, let's take a look at the decal sheet. Pretty nice. Gauges for your center console and all that awesome stuff. Touchscreen, BMW emblems, and multiple license plates. Very nice. Alright, let's take a look at the chrome tree. Nothing too much crazy. You got the wheels and the rest of your necessary chrome on these cars. And my headlight fell off a tree, but there it is. Very nice. Alright, the first bag of white molded parts, or black molded parts I should say. This one contains your chassis parts and some pedals. Like I said, Tamiya, or almost as Tamiya high quality as Revell Journey, very high quality. Here's your engine right there, and that will not be seen, so that doesn't really too much matter for detail. Chassis looks fantastic. There's some writing right there, but you might have just scribed that right out because that will be shown. Nothing too major. And this tree has your engine parts, rest of your engine parts, and your front electric motor. Very neat. Very nice detail. And the rest of your chassis parts, your fenders, and just the rest of your bracing for your chassis, suspension, all that awesome stuff. Alright, next bag of molded parts, and this one has basically all your interior parts. Very nice. and some vents for your exterior. Very nice. Alright. There's seats right there. Cushions. That's actually pretty cool. Center console. Nice detail. And your brakes. And look at that, you got a separate headliner. That's very neat. And your doors, because this kit does have opening doors if you choose though. And then a mix of your interior and the rest of your exterior parts. Very nice, like I mentioned, very nice detail. Not too much flash, which is fantastic. Your rear bumper, that's actually very cool. And your dashboard. Very nice detail. That is a very nice heavy detailed dashboard. You really detail the heck out of that. Alright, next one we're going to take a look at is the tires. And these tires look a little weird. Because on all four of them, they're all skinny. And I don't think that's how they are in real life, because I think there's fat backs and front skinnies, and to be honest, these look like bicycle tires. But whatever, you do get four of them, and the tread pattern's actually decent. It's nothing too major. Very soft, and like I said, 4 bicycle tires basically. So that's a little strange, but okay. And then the best thing in the kit is obviously gonna be your body. Body looks fantastic. It is only in black, which is, you know, nothing too major. But as you see, your doors are open, and you do got some bracing here for molding and stuff. But overall, it's fantastic. Nothing too crazy. There's not too much more lines, just on the corner here. And then, yep, there's on the fenders. So that's typical, but nothing too major. Overall, very clean mold for the body. So I was taking a very good look at this kit, guys. Guys, I do recommend it. This is actually a very popular kit by Revell Journey. People love it. And overall, it's a very cool car. It is a hybrid car, so it does have a gas and electric engine. The electric engine is in front, and the gas engine is in the back. So very cool. That's a very cool future for this car. Overall, the parts look fantastic. There's not many road lines on the body, and there's hardly any flash. If I can count, there's no flash. So parts look fantastic, and I'm pretty sure it will fit very well. But only downside about this kit is the tires. The tires look a little weird. They're all like bicycle tires, which I'm pretty sure that's not on the real car. Because on the real car, they do have fat backs and front skinnies, and they're not. And this kit offers all bicycle tires on all 4 tires. So if I were you, if you want to, go ahead and go with aftermarket set of wheels and tire package for this kit. It will help it a lot. But I don't know, the bicycle tires are just not doing it for me, or I'm pretty sure they're not going to do it for you either. So, because on a real car, they do offer, it is a fat and skinny package on the real car. So, if I were you, want to make this car look halfway decent, go ahead and get a new aftermarket wheel and tire setup for this kit, and it will look a million times better. But overall, that'll be it for this Unbox Monday. I'll provide a link in the description where you can get yours. But until my next Unbox Monday, and until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.